Hey y'all, here's our tutorial for how to use our viaRia products. You're going to start off with the Confidence Curl Defining Gel onto very wet hair. You can take 2 to 3 pumps and you're going to rub this around on your hands first before you apply it. You want your hair to be wet so that it can keep all that hydration in, and you're going to be doing certain motions like the roping motion. You can also do the raking motion with your fingers or even the praying hands motion as well. Then you're going to take our ANOMALY All-in-One Brush. You can use the pointed end to create clean sections. Then you're going to use the edge design to create your curl clumps. Once you do that, you can scrunch for added curl definition, or you can just leave it if you like a looser curl. And for your front pieces or your bangs, you can use our swirled handle to create the most precise and beautiful curls. Once you're all done, your hair should look something like this, very hydrated, very defined. And then you're going to use a diffuser. You can start by pixie diffusing if you'd like. This is going to create added volume, but it can also introduce a little bit of functional frizz. Or you can choose to hover diffuse. This will take longer, but it will set your curls really beautifully and it will just keep all that frizz at bay. You can use a combination of both techniques. It's up to you as a person whether you prefer definition or volume. Once your hair is fully dry, there might be a gel cast to it, so to scrunch that out, you can use our RADIANCE Shine Enhancing Essence, and this is going to really create some shine. You can use 2 to 3 drops depending on your hair, but you're going to rub that on your hands first before you work it through your hair. You're going to use this essence kind of like to soften the hair, and not all people will get a gel cast. It really depends on your hair's surface texture, but because our gel is so strong hold, it is going to give a gel cast to a lot of you. So if you don't like the crunch, you can scrunch it out. Once you're all done, you can see that your hair is perfectly defined. It doesn't really have that much frizz, and you're going to have shiny and healthy hair all day long and even for multiple days. Just a reminder, here was the before and here is after. Thank you all so much for watching and supporting my small business, and huge shout out again to Ronan for filming this tutorial with me, and I hope y'all find this helpful. Bye!